Here is another video in our fence building series. Just kind of going to give you another idea here, something that I do. And I do it for a couple of different reasons. And to find the location of the bottom rail, I do this, just measure from the top. This isn't too difficult after you have the top boards in. And you don't need the top boards in to put the bottom board in, but you do need the post cut to the right height. But here it is. Grab your board, get it to the correct location, mark it. You don't need to measure anything. Sometimes when we measure with the butt of our tape, with the edge of our tape, front of our tape, we shove it up against something, and then we hook it over something to measure. We could be off 1/8 of an inch. That's happened to me plenty of times. And with this method here, you grab the board, you shove it up against there, you mark it. You cut it a little bit long sometimes until you get in the habit of knowing exactly where you need to cut it. And if you cut it a little longer, like what I did here, you can see that the board's holding itself in place. You don't need another person. And if you do cut them a little short and the boards are loose, simply push the board off to the side and then put some screws or some nails underneath the board on the post, of course. Mark it accordingly, put your nails in. That way when you set the bottom rail on top of those nails, you can attach it without it needing another person, for example. And you might only need to do that at one end. So that wraps up this video. And if you like these tips, you find them useful, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button.